Masz to?
Ja.
No, widzisz nas?
No widzi nieco mało.
A tam jesteś. No. Aha.
I can't see because the flame's so big.
Where is it?
Wow. I can see shit.
No, I can't see the target.
Where did you shoot it? It was in a paper. Ach, Boże, za to.
I tell you what, let me aim it first and then light it. Okay, so. Okay, that's aimed.
It's too fast.
Yeah, I think so too. It's too fast. Seriously, Mills.
No, really,
Huh?
that's fire.
It's just.
Just try it one more time. Just light it again. I concur, it's too fast.
Well,
they're both right in the paper.
I told you. Well, at least you didn't lose out.
I think you just need more fuel in the fire. You need loads of petrol in the fire. When you hit it, it's proper.
Well, maybe we're gonna stop shooting and just like.
Just light it once.